Ultimatrix Unleashed, Episode 13. This one's pretty creative. It's called Ben versus the Plan. Okay, maybe I won't call it that. I'll just eventually think of something to put for the title. And yeah. Which I might think of one at the end of the video, but this video is gonna be pretty long, but okay, you get it. Yeah. Ben 10. Oh no, Alien Queen. Swamp Fire. What you want? Like always, to destroy you. Alright. Begin now. Okay. Should attack at any moment. It's supposed to sound like he's thinking. And it's also supposed to sound like Alien's thinking right now. He could attack any moment. Sorry, maybe next time, Alien Queen. Anyways. Pretty bored. Fought pretty much every one of the villains I know except Vilgax. I'm guessing I really destroyed him, didn't I? Well, hopefully I did. Okay. I'm right. 3 other guys are gonna come after me. I have no idea, I don't know. I'm bored still. Oh, finally some guys. Load star. Alright then. Come and get it, robot. You two, I got something special. Oh my God. Jewel's not for you. Really special for you. Rainstorm. I doubt you could beat one of those aliens. I took out a whole army of those guys. This one can't beat you. Humongous. I took out 6 of those guys in 1 minute. How about this? Ultimate Humongous. That could be a challenge. Actual challenge. I'll actually win, though. I could just go to those guys. I'll just be walking off now. And that's the end of that episode.